and today I am here sitting in the throne so I can present to you the HOROW Smart Toilet T38. Let's go ahead and get started with the video. You walk up to it and the lid opens for you automatically. There is no guessing where the buttons are, no waving your hands around, and there is no guessing where the sensor is. Feels like the toilet knows you, and it's clean, it's smooth, and definitely you're about to show this off to every single person who visits. Yeah, listen, the heated seat alone should count as a life upgrade because there is no more 6 a.m. jump scares from ice cold toilet. In the winter mornings, you're saved because it's like sitting down on a warm cloud, and once you feel it, there is no going back. And then there is the built-in bidet with the warm water rinse, adjustable pressure, and air dry, and it's pretty much a whole entire spa experience. And you start realizing that toilet paper was just, I guess, guesswork. No more emergency last row panic. This thing handles everything for you. A lot of smart toilets become dumb toilets when the power cuts off, but this one, it's got a backup system, so even during the blackout, you're still in business, flushing, it's all good.